In this video, I'll break down the top 5 exercise bikes and which exercise bike I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best exercise bike and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Schwinn SFB1002. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It delivers a remarkably smooth and quiet ride thanks to its robust 49-pound flywheel and belt drive system. The sturdy steel frame supports users up to 275 pounds and provides excellent stability during intense workouts. The bike features 4-way adjustable seat positioning and 2-way adjustable multi-grip handlebars, allowing riders to find their optimal riding position. The resistance system offers hundreds of micro-adjustments through a manual tension knob, providing versatility for both beginners and advanced cyclists. While the bike lacks a digital display or tech features, it compensates with reliable performance and durability. The leather pad resistance system requires occasional maintenance, but ensures consistent tension control. Additional features include a water bottle holder and transportation wheels for convenience. Despite its basic nature, this exercise bike provides an authentic road cycling feel and delivers an effective cardiovascular workout. At number 4, we have the Schwinn IC4. The IC4 delivers a remarkably quiet and smooth riding experience thanks to its 40-pound magnetic flywheel and belt drive system. This indoor bike features 100 micro-adjustable resistance levels controlled by an intuitive resistance knob. The frame is sturdy and stable, supporting riders up to 330 pounds without wobbling, even during intense sprints. The bike offers excellent adjustability with 4-way adjustable handlebars and seat, accommodating riders from 4 foot 6 inches to 6 foot 6 inches. The dual-sided pedals allow for both SPD clips and toe cages, while the semi-soft rubber handlebars provide multiple grip positions for comfort and versatility. The backlit LCD console displays essential metrics including time, distance, calories, speed, cadence, and resistance level. Bluetooth connectivity enables seamless integration with popular fitness apps like Peloton, Zwift, and JRNY. Additional features include a device holder, dual water bottle holders, and included 3-pound dumbbells for full-body workouts. At number 3, we have the Echelon EX5-S. The EX5-S stands out with its impressive 22-inch HD touchscreen that flips 180 degrees for off-bike workouts. The bike features 32 levels of magnetic resistance controlled by an indexing knob, providing precise and quiet operation. Its heavy 13-kilogram flywheel ensures smooth pedaling, while the competition-style seat offers 17 height positions and 4 adjustments for optimal comfort. The powder-coated steel frame supports up to 300 pounds and includes dual-function pedals compatible with both regular shoes and SPD cleats. The bike comes equipped with convenient features like dual water bottle holders, dumbbell racks, and power ports for device charging. Performance-wise, the magnetic resistance system delivers a near-silent riding experience, making it ideal for early morning workouts. The built-in Wi-Fi enhancing dual antennas ensures stable connectivity for streaming live and on-demand classes through the Echelon app. At number 2, we have the Nordictrack S27i. This is our runner-up pick and stands out with its massive 27-inch HD touchscreen that can swivel 360 degrees and tilt, making it perfect for both on-bike and off-bike workouts. The bike features 24 levels of silent magnetic resistance powered by a 13-kilogram inertia-enhanced flywheel, delivering a smooth and natural riding experience. A unique feature is its ability to simulate real-world terrain with -10% decline to 20% incline capabilities, automatically adjusting during virtual rides. The build quality is robust with a premium steel frame that supports up to 350 pounds. Exercise performance is enhanced by dual-sided pedals compatible with both standard toe cages and SPD cleats, while the seat and handlebars offer multiple adjustment points for optimal positioning. The bike includes quality-of-life features such as Bluetooth connectivity for headphones and heart rate monitors, an auto-breeze cooling fan, and dual water bottle holders. The integrated iFit compatibility provides access to thousands of workout classes, from studio sessions to global rides. 2 3-pound dumbbells are included for upper body workouts, making the S27i a comprehensive fitness solution. At number 1, we have the Peloton Original. This is the best exercise bike you can buy on the market and delivers an exceptional indoor cycling experience with its robust welded steel frame and corrosion-resistant powder coating. The magnetic resistance system offers 100 levels of smooth, near-silent operation, making even the most vigorous workouts feel fluid and controlled. The bike features a comfortable, sporty saddle, though beginners may need time to adjust, and accommodates riders from 4 foot 11 inches to 6 foot 4 inches. The 21.5-inch HD touchscreen is crisp and responsive, with minimal glare and excellent clarity. The Delta-compatible aluminum pedals provide secure footing, while the steel crank arms ensure stability during intense sessions. The matte black finish gives the bike a luxurious, stylish appearance. The handlebar grips remain secure even when wet with sweat, and the bike maintains stability during most workouts, with only slight wobbling during the most vigorous out-of-saddle exercises. The bike's belt drive system contributes to the overall smooth riding experience, while the 38-pound flywheel provides consistent momentum throughout workouts. The frame adjustments are secure and easy to modify, with handles that can rotate out of the way once tightened. This bike particularly excels in its build quality and performance capabilities, making it a solid choice for home fitness. So, that sums up my top 5 exercise bikes I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.